AI is changing the way that we look at batteries under the microscope. And actually, with this improved understanding, we're really excited about the opportunities, for example, to build better electric vehicles. So lithium-ion batteries are something that we all rely on every single day. Our cell phones, our laptop computers, but increasingly our electric vehicles, all underpinned by lithium-ion batteries. So they're a technology that are all around us. As we rely on these batteries for increasingly demanding ranges of applications, from tiny batteries for implanted devices through to really large batteries that might be partnered with intermittent renewable energy generation, we're asking more and more from these energy storage devices. Net zero is an enormous challenge, but also an enormous opportunity. We now have at our disposal such a broad array of sophisticated instrumentation that will play a central role in being able to accelerate that innovation process. Embedding sustainable thinking and understandings about the circularity of the battery economy and all different points of the battery supply chain, I think is really critical. The instrumentation, often enabled by AI, will enable us to much more rapidly iterate and optimize that materials design and deployment process in order to achieve the ambitious timescales that are required for net zero.